Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Immich in less than 5 minutes on your server. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start up a new instance of Ubuntu. Okay, let's go ahead and log in. Okay, let's open up Firefox. We'll go to immich.app. Go to getting started. Install. We're going to do Docker Compose. And let's go ahead and just search how to install Docker engine. We're going to click on Ubuntu for our distribution here. And let's just follow the instructions. So I'm going to copy this. Let's open up the terminal. And then let's paste this. Okay, let's go to the next step. Install the Docker packages. Copy. Paste. Okay, and then we can verify with hello world. Let's go ahead and do that. And you can see that we have successfully installed Docker and Docker Compose. Let's head back to Immich here. Okay, we're going to create a directory. Let's do it within our user folder. How about we create a directory for Docker? And we'll just open this in the terminal, and let's go ahead and make that Immich app directory. Let's see what to do next. We're going to go ahead and just download this Docker Compose file. And let's get this environmental variables file. That's about it. So let's look at what we have here. We've got the Docker Compose file and then the environmental variables file. We can't actually see that. Let's go ahead and open up that environmental variables file. And then we can see the location where we're going to store our files, the database location, Immich version, the password for our database, and then the username and the database. So we can certainly change these values as we like. Database password, for example. And we might want to specify a location where we have a mounted drive that we have a lot of storage on. For now, I'm just going to leave that as library. Let's head back over here. Populate the environmental variable file with custom values, and then start the containers. So let's go ahead and do that. Start the container. Now we may need to add ourselves to the Docker group. Let's just go ahead and start this with sudo instead. So we're going to do sudo docker compose up d. It's so cool that while this is loading up, it's loading up a whole database, a whole web application, microservices, facial recognition. All of that is all packaged into this one Docker container. All we have to do is say a command to start it, and we have everything. We have our whole backend server web application running here on our self-hosted server, maybe in your virtual private cloud. Okay, so it looks like our containers are running. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can open this up on a local host connection. Be running on port 2283. And here we go. We're in Immich already. So now we have it all set up. We can configure our application. And that's all you have to do to set up Immich. It's so easy. What an amazing software that Alex has created for us to use to self-host our own photos, as much storage as you can handle on your own network. If you want to see how to set up your own custom domain, please see my full tutorial on setting up Immich, where I have Nginx setup, certbot setup for SSL, and custom domain setup with AWS. So please check that out if you haven't already. If you want me to do another just short video on setting that up incrementally, let me know in the comments, and look forward to hearing from you. Please like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.